Hi, I am Shubham. I am in Bachelor of Engineering third year and I am an Internchala student partner representing Internchala in our college. Today I am hosting an Internchala internship talk to tell you all about easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. Also you will get a link in the description. You can fill it once you watch complete video which will confirm your participation certificate for this talk. You will also get an exclusive chance to play resume score calculator upon attending the complete talk and filling the attendance link. We will look at the current scenario. Some colleges have reopened, but some students are at home due to COVID-19 situation. Although students are having online classes, they have significant amount of spare time at hand, which is golden opportunity for them. They can utilize this time to earn pocket money and gain experience and explore their interest. So next we will see how can you utilize your time in best way. So first, apply for part-time or work from home internships. Start your journey by applying to internships that are very easier to get, like part-time and work from home internships. Getting selected for these internships would open your doors to get the first-hand experience and help you get ready for big opportunities. The next is apply for campus ambassador internships. The best part of doing a campus ambassador internship is to get you work from home itself with your own convenience, or work from college itself with your own convenience, and also get a chance to earn a huge stipend. The next will be volunteering activities. You can also apply to various volunteering internships that not only provide you with the opportunity to improve your time management communication skills, but also give you the satisfaction of having helped others and improved mental well-being. Now we'll look at why should you go for part-time internships. In the next two slides, we will discuss the benefits of part-time internships in building our career. So first is work just 2-3 hours a day. You just need to give 2-3 hours a day, which allows you to do internship without disturbing your online classes schedule. Next is value addition to the resume. Internships play a major role in adding value and experience to the resume that helps you in getting a step ahead of other students. Next, very important is earn pocket money. Who doesn't want to be financially stable in life? Everyone does, right? Doing internships ultimately helps you to financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to be dependent on our parents for monthly expenditures. Next is improve job prospects. Doing an internship not only help you to earn pocket money but also helps you to gain valuable experience. This further improves your job prospects and gives you an edge at the time of job placements. This is very important, that is most preferred categories of internships. So these are the 5 most preferred categories of internships available. The first is very important, marketing internship, then research, operations, graphic designing, content writing. How to get part-time internships? So this is very important. Internshala can help. Internshala is the world's #1 internship and training platform. Internshala is an internship and online training platform which was founded in 2010 with an intent to create a culture of meaningful internships in the country. At present, over 4 million students look for internships on Internshala, offered by more than 80,000 employers in 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing, and graphic design, etc. Did you know what? Did you know that 5 lakh plus students got a part-time or work from home internship through Internshala and earned up to INR 1,20,000? Awesome, right? Wouldn't it be great if you could earn such a cool stipend while in college? The best part is Internshala is free of cost for students. Yes, you don't have to pay anything to get an internship. Rather, all internships on Internshala, apart from NGO, come with a stipend and a certificate. Next is, how does Internshala work? So these are the 3 steps which are very simple. The first one is register for free and complete your profile. So create an account as a student and verify it. After verifying your email account, you need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume. Then next, second one is explore internships from various profiles. After completing your profile, you can explore internships on the profile from various profile available by filling in your internship profile preferences. The third one, after completing these 2, the third one is apply and get hired. After that, you can continue with applying for internships on Internshala that match your profile and availability. In your Internshala applications, you can view the application status of all the internships on real-time basis. This is a word from interns. Here are the few students just like us who not only got financially independent during their internship journey, also gained valuable experience to build their careers. Ujjwal and Nitish both earned INR 15,000 and fulfilled their wishes to get a DSLR camera and gifts for their parents. I am sure you all would also want to be in the same list so that you can also buy all the things added to your wish list and also make your parents proud. So we have come to an end. Do you have any questions? Now, if you have any questions, please comment me below. Feel free to ask me any questions regarding internships and as well as Internshala. Please note that if you have any specific questions regarding Internshala, you may find answers to your doubts or queries on your website's help center. After watching this video, I would request you all to please fill your attendance, as all the students will receive a special attendance certificate for this talk. There are some of the frequently asked questions I want to tell you now. So these are frequently asked questions. The first one is, would I have to pay any fees for applying to internships on Internshala? So the answer is, there is no fees involved. In fact, all internships except NGO come with a stipend, so you will get paid. The second question is, I applied a while back, but I still haven't heard from the employer. What do I do? So the answer for this is, generally employers take 2 to 3 weeks to reply. Advise the student to keep checking his or her Internshala dashboard for application status changes. So the third one is very important. What does my application status mean? So the answer is, at Internshala, a student can view the application status of all the internship on real-time basis. Here's what different application status mean. The first application status is applied. Students has applied for the internship and his or her application has been shared with the company. The second application status is seen. Seen application status means employer has seen the application and may or may not consider for the further rounds. Next is under review. Employer has taken forward the student's application and is currently reviewing it. Next application status is in touch. In touch means the employer has sent a message to the student through Internshala chat. Next is hired. Hired means is selected for the internship. Next is not selected. Student's application has been rejected. Next is inactive. Internship has been brought down or rejected. So these were some frequently asked questions. So if you have any doubt, you can visit the website's help center. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.